Hello everybody, hello my dear tutor and classmate. This is Didactics of Mathematics and this is the first task 1. And today I want to talk about Didactics of Mathematics. I wrote some answer about some questions that the tutor gave me, and I will explain that answer, but it will be the same. It will not be the same words, because in this case I will try to explain with my word and not exactly what I wrote before. Okay, so I will read the first question and I will try to answer correctly. Okay, the first question is: according to the video, what is didactics? I think the didactics give the instruction to the teacher how to teach that subject, and it's very helpful to teach in a better way, because in this time the teacher can make enjoyable class where the student will learn all about the topic, because the teacher is using the information according the context, the growth, and everything will be okay. The student will be motivated and they will want to continue with learning and continue get more information about that topic, because it's not bored. Okay, the second question: according to the video, why is it important, the didactics? Okay, as I said before, the didactics is very important, because if we want to teach effectively, we need to learn about and to get the information clear. First, it's necessary to get a very clear the information, and now become that information using the didactics to show that information, that knowledge, to the student in the best way, where the student will say, oh, that is interesting topic, and it's very important, because the didactics take the same knowledge, the same information, and become that information useful to solve problems of our real life. So I think that is very important to understand, and what is the importance of the didactics. Okay, the next question: according to the video, what is the main difference between Singapore lesson and American lesson? Okay, the Singapore lesson has a big difference, because they took the information and took that information and made a designed exercise with element around us. For example, that lesson take the most important information to share to the other student. That is the big difference, because the American lesson has all the lesson, and that information is not, it's very old. That is the first problem. Maybe when we are learning mathematics, we can think it's just a way to teach or to learn, but it's not correct. We can find other ways to teach the same mathematic. For example, use information to explain a problem of our community, and we will looking for the best solution. And that is the main difference between Singapore and American lesson. The next question is, according to the video, Dr. Gardiner is more inclined towards Singapore books or American books. Why? Okay, it's absolutely. He's very interested of Singapore books because these books show the same information maybe we learn or he learned for a long time, and in the Singapore books that information is outdated with the problem of our daily real life daily routines, and for that reason he like more Singapore books than American lesson, I think. Okay. The last question is, what do you think of didactic of mathematics after watching the video? As I said before, the mathematics, when we talk how to teach mathematics, we think it's just a weight. We need to prepare to read the book and explain with that book. But with that video, I understood we can take problems, we can analyze our context and use that information to develop a better practice, better experience with the same knowledge. So now I am more interested in teach with other methods, with update information, update activities, and always we need to understand as a future teachers, we need to understand the education is changing all time. We cannot teach the same thing or the same way all time, all year and year. No, we need to change and we need to improve our education. We need to encourage our students to continue and learn. Thank you. I think that is all. I hope you enjoy this video and see you the next time. Bye. See you. Thank you. Bye.